ngegama likaJesu siyabonga ukuthi somkhulule umntwana wakho kuze kube phakade. Amen. Haleluya bazalwane, Jesu Kristu inkosi uyabusa kuze kube phakade. Bazalwane sizoshisa ke Nkosi yami izifuketi zaSathane. Haleluya.
Light the fast, icala fast.
Okay bazalwane, igama likaJesu malibongwe. Sishisa izifuketi bazalwane, sesishisile nje eziningi kakhulu, amakhadi asekliniki, izifuketi za-security, uliqhubeke college,
ama-certificate ezikhampani, siyalahla
sicela konke ngegama likaJesu Kristu waseNazaretha.
certificate asesikolweni, high school, esisibiza umalusi nje
Siyashisa konke ngegama likaJesu.
nazo-ke o-N4, N5, N6 njalo.
Chazela lapha sisami.
Lena-ke learners license siyachisa nje, kunesithombe nje sezulu.
Ngendlela asithola ngayo asilungile ngegama likaJesu. Sithethe uJesu siyashisa bazalwane, sicela konke.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosasa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Kune alisondolela lapha KZN lilishisa ama certificates, so they are saying ukuthi lama certificates lawa awekho right, kunebusathanisi lobukhona kulama certificates, bawadumela bawafaka emlilweni bawashisa. So people had a lot to say about lokhu labakubona lapha kuleya video. Sama saying ukuthi shows lama certificate emgunyati lawa, there's no way ngoyohlala esikoleni ufunze mawuqeda lapho uthi something it's demonic ubese uyayishisa oyifaka emlilweni mandla akho umnyaka lemingaka uhleli ufunza. It really doesn't make sense. So babona nje bawafaka nga-1 lapha emlilweni bawashisa nje bawafaka emlilweni, and these are original certificates because uyabona kokuthi ma-original they're not copy. Siyabona bashisa abo-matric bayashisa, ngiyabona lapha ubambe certificate se-emanated, so uyasishisa. People are saying ukuthi we Nkosi yami lama-certificate niwashisa kangaka ngobani vele, ngikhani niwabona namuhla kokuthi demonic. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I am signing out. Goodbye.